João Kouyoumdjian is a classical guitarist in his late 20s. The Juilliard-trained musician began playing the guitar at the age of 12. He had dreams of playing in a rock band.
Actually, I started off with the electric guitar. But then, my father was always a big fan of bossa nova, of Brazilian popular music. And a couple of years later, I smoothly changed to playing bossa nova and Brazilian popular styles.
João says his mixed musical background helps him create modern takes on some of Brazil's most beloved composers. His performance showcases this fusion.
The popular is classically framed, and the classical shows influences of popular.
People from New York's Brazilian community enjoy hearing the young artist's take on classical composers.
I like everything, and I like as well the music from Antônio Carlos Jobim, the girl from Ipanema, author.
Jobim is one of the most well-known Brazilian composers from the 1960s. João says many young musicians are starting to study music from this time period. For a little over an hour, New Yorkers were transported to Rio de Janeiro. Nia Phillips, Columbia Television News.